Hello everyone, this is Professor Shailash Satish from ADSUL'S Technical Campus, Ahmedabad. Okay, we have studied in last two lectures about the algorithm, flowchart, characteristics of algorithms, how to draw flowchart with example. Okay, in previous lecture we also studied about the data structure and its types. Okay, in this lecture we are going to study about the various algorithmic strategy. Okay, so let's start with the session presentation. Okay, algorithmic strategies. Okay, algorithm design strategies are the general approaches used to develop efficient solution to the problem. For any problem, we have to design better solution by designing various types of algorithm. You can design any algorithm by using various steps or various types of solution is. Okay, then there are various types of algorithm strategies. That is, first, divide and conquer strategy. Second one is greedy strategy. Third one is recursive algorithms, backtracking algorithms, heuristic algorithms, and dynamic programming algorithms. Okay, in divide and conquer strategy, we divide our problem in various sub-problems, and in greedy algorithm we store our various sub-problems in our algorithmic strategy. Okay, in AC computer syllabus there are only two strategies are covered, that is divide and conquer strategy and greedy strategy. Other strategies are not in the syllabus. Okay, so let's start with the divide and conquer strategy. Okay, in divide and conquer strategy, we divide our problem into two sub problems. Okay, then these sub problems are solved by using various algorithms which is suited to the that algorithm. Okay, then again the solution is obtained for the that sub problem, and the sub problem solution is again merged. Okay, that is, you have to conquer or we have to merge that sub problem solution again, and we have to provide a better solution for that algorithm. Okay, in this diagram we have covered about the procedure of the divide and conquer strategy. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, that is problem, we have divided that problem into the two sub problems. We have designed solution for these two sub problems. Okay, then we have combined that sub problem and obtained the solution to the problem. Okay, this is nothing but the divide and conquer strategy. Okay, these are the operations which are used for the divide and conquer strategy. First one is divide. In divide, we break the problem into the sub problems. Okay. In conquer, we solve the sub problems. Okay. Those sub problems are solved by using algorithms. Okay. Then combine. We have to combine the solution obtained in the sub problems. Okay. These are the three operations we perform while performing the algorithm strategy, which is divide and conquer strategy. Okay. Then there are different types of algorithms which follows the divide and conquer strategy. Okay. First one is merge sort, second one is binary search, then third one is quick sort, then closest pair, tower of. Okay. various types of algorithms which supports divide and conquer strategy. Okay, this is the example of our divide and conquer strategy. Merge sort. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It divides input array in two halves, calls itself for the two halves, and then merges these two sorted. Okay, the merge function is used for merging two halves. Okay, how merge sort algorithm works internally. This is the better example of our merge sort. Okay, first we have to divide our array into the two parts. Okay, here is 7 elements you have taken. Okay, then it is divided into two parts. In first part there are 4 elements, and in second part there are 3 elements. Okay, these 4 elements is again divided into two subparts. Okay, that is 38, 27 and 43 and 3. Okay, then these 3 elements in second part is also divided into two subparts. Okay, that is 9, 82 and 10. Okay, in third step again those subparts are divided into again subparts. Okay, similarly second subpart is also divided into two parts. In 82 and 9 is also divided into two subparts. Okay, then in fourth step we have sorted that elements. Okay, smallest to largest. We have to perform merge sort on these elements. Okay, then merge the divided sorted arrays together. Means what? We have merged previous step solution into the next step. Okay, we have sorted those elements. Okay, in last step we have to obtain the previous step solution, and we have to merge those subparts into one by using sorting algorithm. Okay, we have to sort these elements in smallest to largest. Okay, this is the better example of divide and conquer strategy. Okay, next we have to study about the greedy strategies. Okay, in greedy algorithm, first of all, what is greedy? The greedy algorithms are the algorithms in which we have to perform various algorithms, and we have to obtain various solutions. In these solutions we have to perform the our choice. Okay, in this choice we have to select optimum solutions. Okay, optimum solutions from the number of solutions. Okay, there are various types of algorithms which define the greedy strategy. That is, first one, traversing steps one problem. Second one is Prim's minimum spanning tree. Then Pushkal's minimum spanning tree algorithm. Dijkstra minimum spanning tree algorithm. Then knapsack problem. Okay, then job scheduling problem. Okay, we have to study at least one example from this. We have to study all these algorithms in different chapters afterwards. Okay, in this lecture we study one of the example from this, that is Pushkal's algorithm. Okay, before starting to study Pushkal's algorithm we have to define what is minimum spanning tree. Okay, the cost of spanning tree is the sum of weights. Okay, we have to perform summation of weights, that is the cost of the your spanning tree. Okay, in minimum spanning tree we have to obtain minimum cost. Okay, to traverse all the vertices of your tree. Okay, all the nodes of your tree. Okay, then we have to avoid to form a cycle. We have to avoid to form a cycle. We don't need cycle. Okay, in minimum spanning tree we have to just traverse all the vertices of your or all the nodes of your tree. Okay, this is the minimum spanning tree. You have to perform or you have to traverse all the vertices or nodes without forming a cycle. Okay, let's start with Kruskal's algorithm. What is Kruskal's algorithm? Kruskal's algorithm builds the spanning tree by adding edges one by one into a growing spanning tree. Okay, in this algorithm we have to perform following steps. First one is sort the graph edges with respect to their weight. We have to sort all the edges of your graph. Okay, then start adding edges to the minimum spanning tree from the edge with the smallest weight. You have to select the edge whose weight is minimum or least weight, having least weight. Okay, until the edge of the largest weight. Okay, we have to traverse all the edges. Okay, then only add edges which does not form a cycle. Edges which connect only disconnected components, means you have to avoid to form a cycle. Okay, then we have to see to understand better, we have to see example of that. Okay, this is the example of Kruskal's algorithm. Here is how many edges are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 edges are there. Okay, in first step, look what is in the first step. There is a weight we have selected what is having one weight. Okay, having one weight. In second, there are various weights are there: 7, 5, 3, 6, 2 and 4. But we have to select having edge having least weight or minimum weight, that is 2. Okay, then next which edge we have to select, that is having weight 3. Okay, then but we have covered all the edges or not covered all the edges, sorry, all the vertices. Okay, next we have selected 1 3 and 2. Okay, then one vertex is remaining, one vertex is remaining. Then we have to select having edge having minimum weight, that is 5. Okay, edge having 5 weight. Okay, that is 1, then 2 3 and 5. Okay, if we select 4, if we select 4, then we will get that vertex? No, we will get again same vertex. So we have to select next weight, that is 5. Okay, by selecting 5 weight, we get all the vertices of the graph. Okay, I think you have understood about the Kruskal's algorithm. Okay, this is the Kruskal's algorithm. These are the two strategies. These are the two strategies which are used to design or to obtain efficient solution to the problem. These are the two algorithmic strategies which we have university has included in our syllabus. That is divide and conquer strategy and greedy strategy. We have defined what is divide and conquer strategy with merge sort example, and greedy strategy by using Kruskal's algorithm. Okay, so let's stop here. We will see next point, that is asymptotic notations in next lecture. Okay, thank you.